Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin, wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. In this seventh meeting, right, we're gonna talk about group of discussion, right? So, here I would ask you to later on, after I explained this one, right, I would ask you to have discussion, group of discussion by the title, by the topic, which is better, online or offline class, right? But if the time is available, right? If not, later on we're gonna have this group of discussion after the midterm exam, inshallah. Right, so today I would explain to you first about how we conduct group of discussion, and of course later on I will explain also about the phrases which we usually use in the group of discussion. Right, let's get started. Now, how to start the discussion? If we have group of discussion, if we conduct a group of discussion, what we need to do? If you are as a moderator, so of course the first you need to have small talk. It's like, good day everyone, good to see you all, good to see you all here, and so on. So this is small talk. Before, of course, later on you share the point of the discussion. Like what, for example, you say, we are here going to discuss about, and of course this is not rigid like this. It depends on the situation and condition, of course, right? And you can also say, second, let's begin our discussion about. For example, the topic of the discussion is about online or offline class. So, for example, you can say, let's begin our discussion about online and offline class. Or you can say also, let's get started. Okay, this is how to how to start the discussion, and then how to express your opinion. Okay, you can express your opinion by saying, I think that. Okay, the topic of discussion, if we talk about online or offline class, we can say, I think that online class is better than offline class. And then after that you share your opinion, you share your reason why online class is better than offline class, and so on. You can also say, I'm sure that, for example, you say, I'm sure that online class is better than offline class. Why? And then you start to give the reason why you choose the online class, or why you say that online class is better than the offline class. Or you can say, I believe that, and so on and so on. So this is how to express your opinion if we have a group of discussion. And then after sharing your opinion, and you want to end, okay, your opinion, okay, because your turn is end, right? So what you say, you can say, that's all from me and thank you. Or you can say, I think that you get a point from my speaking about the online class, why I prefer online class than the offline class, and so on. And next one, how to ask for opinion from the other people. Okay, in the group of discussion, if you want to ask opinion from the other people, you can say, what do you think? What do you think about my opinion? What do you think about this point? What do you think about the online class? What do you think about offline class? And so on. Do you agree? Or you can say, do you agree that online class is better? Do you agree that online class is more profitable than the offline class? This is only the example. Or you can say, what about you? What's your opinion about you? What is the opinion? What's your opinion? Okay, so you can ask the opinion from the other people in the group of discussion, right? And then you can say also, what's your opinion about this? And after, okay, a member or the best participant of the group of discussion shares the opinion. So what you need to do is to listen carefully as they speak. Right, next one is how to express agreement. For example, you agree to the other participant in the group of discussion. What you need to say? Okay, the first you can say you're right, or you can also I think so. You can say I agree with him, I agree with you. Or you can say I can see your point, or you can say that's good point. Or the other phrase you can say it sounds really good. And then next one, how to ask for the clarification. If it is needed for you to ask the clarification, so what you need to say? You can say, I'm sorry, I don't think that I understand what you mean by. For example, you mean by online class, for example, it's like that. Pardon, what do you mean by? And you share your opinion about this. Or you can say, could you explain that to me again? May I know why did you say that? And then after this, you share your opinion about this. And then you can say also, I'm not sure that I understand your point. Do you mean that? And then you share your opinion. This is the way how you ask for the clarification from the other participants in the group of discussion. Next, how to reject an opinion. If it is needed for you to reject an opinion, and sometimes we feel okay, yes, shy, or sometimes yes, we are reluctant to reject an opinion from other participant. But if it is needed for you to reject an opinion from the other participant, what you need to say, I see your point, but, and then you share your opinion. Or you can say, I see your point, and let me add to this. And it is more polite than when you say, I see your point, but, and then you share your opinion. So this one more polite. So I see your point, and let me add to it. Let me add to this. So this is more polite. Then you can also say, I understand your concern, but, and it is time for you to share your opinion. Next one, you can say, that's interesting, but, and then you share your opinion. Or you can say, that's interesting, and let me add to it. Let me add to this. And you can say also, you have a good point, however, and it is time for you to explain, to share your opinion. In this case, so try to avoid saying, what a silly idea. Don't say that. Or you say, that's nonsense. So don't say that. Avoid saying that, because that's not polite. And next one, how to express disagreement. If you disagree for the other opinion, for the other participant's opinion, so what you say, you can say, I disagree, I have to disagree, I think that it's not good idea. Then you share your opinion. This the problem with that is, and then you share your opinion, and so on. This is the way how you express the disagreement in the group of discussion. Okay, next one, if you want to interrupt, right? So during the discussion, of course, sometimes you have other or different opinion, and you need to interrupt in the discussion. So what you need to say, you can say, sorry for interrupting, but, and then you share your opinion in this case. And then you can say also, sorry, before I forget, and then you share your opinion. Or you can say, can I add something here? And then you share your opinion. Or you can say, sorry, can I stop you here? Can I stop you here? Or you can say, sorry, can I stop you there? And then you start to talk, to explain your opinion in this part. And or you can say, sorry, but I think we need to get back to the topic on, for example, the topic about online and offline class. So we need to get back to the topic on online and offline class. So it is especially when you are as moderator of group of discussion. So this is how we interact in the group of discussion. Next one is how to express for nothing to share. Sometimes, yes, we don't have anything to share in the group of discussion. So in this case, what you need to say, you are asked the opinion. You are asked, what's your opinion about this problem? What's your opinion about this? And so on. If you are asked, in case you are asked what you need to say, the first you can say, I don't have any view of this. You can say that. Or you can say, I think that I think that you've covered everything. So this is the way how you express for nothing to share. And next one, coming to an end of the group of discussion, what you need to say, let's conclude. So of course, last you need to take the conclusion, right? And let's conclude, shall we? And then conclusion. Or you can say, looks like we have come to an agreement that, and then end the discussion. Or you can say, let's end this discussion. And the last, of course, is closing. For this closing, you can say, thanks for your time. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. So this is the way how we conduct group of discussion. And those are the phrases what I explained to you earlier are the phrases which we usually use in the group of discussion. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's end the lesson by reciting Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I beg your pardon if you get some mistake from me. If you have any question, so don't be hesitant to contact me or to send me the message in my WhatsApp. Right? Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.